day 2 here in Seoul. And for today, we're going on a day trip to Nami Island, land of the morning calm. And if we have enough time, we can go to another place.
Since we are a group of 9, we booked a van for this tour, which is highly recommended. Garden of the Morning Calm is not accessible by public transportation.
Hi! So it's now 10 a.m. We left Myeongdong at around 8 a.m. We're now here at our first stop, which is Garden of the Morning Calm.
This is a self-guided tour, so our driver/guide will only leave us up to the entrance and will not go inside the garden. But he gave us helpful information.
We're off to buy the ticket.
Okay, later pay to me. 1, 2, 3.
We're walking at the Cloud Bridge. Ayan, pinatayo muna namin yung mami namin kasi mas mahirap yung wheelchair dito. Pero pwede naman kung may mobility issues at basta nakakatayo pa naman yung naka-wheelchair nyo, kaya pa naman. Wag lang yung talagang totally hindi nakakalakad.
We visited on the second week of November, which they said was the last weekend of fall. So it was perfect for us because of the foliage.
Wow, sobrang ganda na nung foliage. Today is November 8. So, it's the peak of autumn. Let's have coffee first while waiting for my family. So, meron namang coffee shops, cafes, and toilet sa loob ng Land of the Morning Calm. And this is senior friendly as well. So you can bring strollers or wheelchairs. Okay, so I'm going to have coffee first while waiting for my family. Ayan, di kasi ako nakapag-breakfast kanina.
The Garden of the Morning Calm is a popular day trip from Seoul, especially during spring and autumn, like this one. It is located in Gapyeong, which is 2 hours drive from Seoul. During autumn season, the whole place is covered in warm colors, reds, oranges, and yellows everywhere you look. The garden was opened in May 1996 and was designed based on Korean natural beauty, which includes curves, spaces, and an asymmetric balance. It draws inspiration from Korea's nickname, Land of the Morning Calm. The garden is also divided into many themed sections, including the Sunken Garden, Pond Garden, Road to Heaven, Korean Garden, etc. One of the best spots is the big pond. The trees reflect on the water, and it's just a calm place to take a break and enjoy the view. We're here at the Korean Garden, at the Garden of the Morning Calm. So, maganda talaga siya pag autumn because of the foliage. Okay, so we're done here at the Garden of the Morning Calm. Pabalik na kami sa parking lot para sa next destination, which is Nami Island, kung saan mag-lunch din kami.
Ayan, sobrang daming tao. Papasok pa lang. It took us more than an hour to get here from Garden of the Morning Calm. Okay, so from Garden of the Morning Calm to the stop going to Nami Island before riding the ferry, it took us an hour to get here. kasi sobrang haba ng traffic. The last 2 kilometers took us about 20 minutes. Tapos ang dami na naglalakad. Very popular kasi yung Nami Island, especially this autumn. And it's also a Saturday, so according to our guide, even the locals are also traveling today. And so dito, ito yung bungee jumping. So we're waiting for our table. It's already 1:30 PM. Di pa kami nagla-lunch dahil nga dun sa traffic. And according to my sister who was here in Nami Island in 2014, so that's 10 years ago, sobrang iba na daw. Ang dami na daw nagbago at ang dami na rin establishments. One, two.
Oh, may kamote.
Oh, yan. Nice. Ayan, ang daming tao. Very touristy talaga dito.
This is the entrance to the wharf, where you will be taking the ferry to Nami Island. Although it says here immigration, Nami is still part of Korea, so you don't have to present your passport. The sign is just for tourism purposes since there are many foreign tourists. Our van driver helped us purchase the ticket, so it was convenient. The ferry ride from the dock to the island only takes about 5 to 10 minutes, so although there are many tourists, the crowd is manageable. The ferry is also PWD friendly, so you can bring wheelchairs and strollers.
Okay, so we're now going to Nami Island.
The ferry ride takes only a few minutes, but the view is really nice. You see the mountains, the river, and hints of the fall colors waiting on the island. Nami Island is this half-moon-shaped river island in northeastern Korea. The island is owned and managed by Nami Island Co. Limited, which was originally bought in the 1960s by a man who transformed the island into the lush, dreamy getaway you see now. So this is a private island and everything that you see here is private, including the ferry. Autumn is a high peak season for a reason. The moment we arrived, we were greeted by all these warm autumn colors, orange, red, and yellow everywhere. Although, when we went, it was already the last weekend of autumn.
So I'm now here in Nami Island. It's November 9 and it's the last weekend of fall. So because of that, yung ibang puno, totally lagas na siya. Like this one. However, you can still see a lot of maple leaves or maple trees with red leaves. So yun. So ma-enjoy nyo pa naman siya. Although very busy siya, very touristy. So yun. Itong Nami Island kasi, meron tong train access which is different from the Garden of the Morning Calm na kailangan siyang sadyain and dapat meron kayong sarili ninyong sasakyan or mag-book kayo ng tour. So, mas maraming tao dito sa Nami Island kesa doon sa Garden of the Morning Calm. Mas maganda yung Garden of the Morning Calm, so you should visit that. Pero kung fresh for time, okay naman pumunta na lang ng Nami Island kasi mas accessible siya.
The island is easy to explore on foot. Most people walk around, but you can also rent bikes or even a tandem bike if you want something fun. It is also pet friendly and PWD friendly. It's also pet friendly. Hello! There are many activities that you can do in the island, including riding bikes and tandem bikes, going on a picnic, and even camping. This is the Maple Lane. During our visit, there was also a glamping section in this area underneath the autumn leaves. Okay, so dito na kami sa dulo. Hinahanap lang namin yung pinag-shootingan daw ng Winter Sonata. Actually, di ko siya napanood. So this is the Metasequia Lane. This is the famous photo spot. Ayan, so pabalik na kami ng mainland. Nakapila kami sa ferry at ayan, ang haba ng pila. So paalis na kami, nakapila na kami sa ferry at ang haba ng pila. Goodbye, Nami Island. You are so touristy. Bagong para. If you're into something more adventurous, instead of taking the ferry, there's also a zip line that can take you straight onto the island. It's a fun way to arrive if you want a little adrenaline rush. Aside from the zip line, you can also do bungee jumping in this area. Okay, so we're now going back to our van. It's already 4:38 p.m. So nakita nyo naman kung gaano kadami ang tao sa Nami Island. For me, kung kami lang yung pupuntahan, parang not so worth it. Pero kung mayroong kasamang ibang pupuntahan, like maybe the Gangton rail bike or the Garden of the Morning Calm or Petit France, then okay. Pero you need to book a tour kung pupunta ka doon sa Garden of the Morning Calm in Petit France. Thanks for watching the second part of my Korea vlog. In the next episode, we'll explore more of Seoul in autumn. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to share this video.